Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on September the 1st, 2020. Stock split enriched Musk by $10 billion in a day. The founder of the electric car manufacturer Tesla, Elon Musk, became richer by more than $10 billion in just a day, according to the Forbes Real-Time reading. At the close of trading on Monday, August the 31st, the businessman's capital was estimated at $102.9 billion. Musk's rise in fortune came amid news of a Tesla stock split. The corporation made a split to increase their circulation and reduce the cost. Thanks to this, it became much cheaper to become a shareholder of the company from Monday. The split ratio was 1:5 for one share. Each Tesla owner received 4 more. As a result, the securities turned out to be more accessible to investors. If before the split the share price was above $2,200, then after the splitting it was possible to become a shareholder of the corporation for about $450. 5G iPhones from Apple to be out later this year. Apple Inc. planning to ship at least 75 million iPhones 5G by the end of this year, as well as new Apple Watch models, a new iPad Air, and a smaller HomePod, Bloomberg News reported on Tuesday. The company expects shipments of these next-generation iPhones to reach 80 million units in 2020. Apple plans to launch 4 new iPhones next month with 5G wireless speeds, different designs, and a wider choice of screen sizes, adding that lower-end phones will ship earlier than Pro devices. Apple is also preparing a new iPad Air with an edge-to-edge iPad Pro-like screen, 2 new versions of the Apple Watch, and its first in-ear headphones outside the Beats brand, according to a report here. Zoom predicts sales growth due to daily usage. Zoom Video Communications increased its annual revenue forecast by more than 30% after comfortably surpassing quarterly estimates on Monday as it shifts most of its huge free user base to paid subscriptions. Zoom, which has nearly quadrupled this year, is up 9.3% to $355.30. Earlier in the day, they hit a record high close of $325.10 in regular trading. Since the outbreak of the pandemic, Zoom was worked to transform its mass to free users into paid customers, which is important because the company relies on both its own data centers and cloud providers such as Amazon.com and Oracle Corp. This means that it has to bear the cost for free users. The company said revenue rose 355% to $663.5 million, about the analyst average of $500.5 million. The company's gross margin rose to 71% from 68%, but remains well below 80% of the range that Zoom was operating in before free users flocked to the service. WTI crude oil futures rise during Asian trading. On the New York Mercantile Exchange, WTI crude for October deliveries trading at $42.95 a barrel, up 0.80% as of this writing. The session high was the $1 per barrel mark. At the time of writing, WTI found support at $42.36 and resistance at $43.57. The US dollar index futures, which measures the US dollar against a basket of 6 major currencies, is down 0.38% to trade at $91,780. In terms of other commodities traded in ICE, Brent crude for November delivery rose 0.95% to $45.71 a barrel, and the difference in price between Brent and WTI contracts was $2.76 per barrel.